Robbie with Delta Millworks. Today we are here in Fredericksburg, Texas at the Boot Ranch community. I'm here with John from Sterling Creek Homes. How you doing today, John?
I'm good, doing great. Nice, cool day here.
Yeah, nice and brisk. Tell us about this community first and foremost. We're just outside of Fredericksburg. It's a pretty special place.
Yeah, so Sterling Creek Homes, we're one of the preferred builders in the Boot Ranch community. It's one of the top golf courses in the state of Texas. We're based out of Llano, Texas. We service a lot of the Lake LBJ and Highland Lakes area along with the Fredericksburg market. We typically just take on more luxury, high-end type houses. We've been in business since 2015, so about 10 years now. I originally came from Lubbock, and my wife and I moved to the Hill Country and kind of got bored with retirement and decided to go ahead and start up a home building company.
So we're at one of two projects here in Boot Ranch that we're going to look at today. Tell us a little bit about this project.
Yeah, so Boot Ranch number one, the first house that we're going to talk about. This particular house ended up being a spec home that we ended up starting on. And about midway through this house, the clients came in, incredible clients, love them to death. They decided to basically change everything up. So we ended up building out the second story to this house, kind of off the fly. The material that they selected for the outside just is incredible.
So let's talk about the wood. We did a Luna wood product on this. It looks gorgeous. This is our rough sawn Rio Frio. Were you involved with the material selection on this?
I wasn't quite involved. We have people that help them make this choice, but I can tell you why they made it. One of the things that this particular client was looking for was maintenance-free product, something that they were not going to have to reapply sealer to it every year to make sure it's going to stay the same color and look. They did an incredible job. I love the color, balances well with the natural limestone that we picked for this project. Turned out really nice.
Yeah, it's a beautiful look out here. Really matches the home well and the environment out here. Tell us a little bit about the installation. It looks like there was face fasteners involved. Were those screws or nails, and what were some other elements about the installation?
Yeah, sure. So starting out on this house, we started out with the zip system, which a lot of builders use. From there, we ended up using ice and water shield over it. I know it's overkill, but we wanted to make sure that we captured it. Obviously, we've got the flashing there on the bottom, and then from there, putting a rain screen on it. Once the rain screen was installed, then at that point came back. You can see several places where we've actually used fasteners on this just to hold them tight.
Yeah, it seems to be a great installation. You know, the rain screen's really important. Also seeing a nice air gap at the bottom flashing, so if water gets behind that wood, it allows it to drain down and out, just so it doesn't trap moisture. As we know, that's important for wood siding. We don't want to trap moisture anywhere. And the fasteners look great as well at first glance. I couldn't even tell that they were face fastened. You see those screw heads, they look like they were painted gray as well. So they really do blend in with the wood siding product.
Yeah, we used a color match fastener for that.
Yeah, that's a good approach. Tell us a little bit about your history with wood siding. When you got into the business, what was on the market?
Typically, looking back over the years, of course, Hardy was used quite a bit, but from there, when you talk about natural wood products, a lot of pine, and then having to paint it and repaint it was, you know, that was the name of the game back 10 years ago whenever, you know, we started building. But nowadays, using this product, of course, it's pretty maintenance free, so we like to promote it a lot. A lot of the owners out here in the Boot Ranch area, these are second, third, fourth homes for these clients. They want something that's fairly maintenance free so that they can pretty much just come to Boot Ranch and stay in their home and enjoy it and not have to worry about the upkeep or paying attention to these details. So it's been good.
What trends are you seeing in terms of not just performance or how the wood's installed, but how the wood looks?
I think generally for the Hill Country, you know, using the Delta type products out there, there's such a wide variety of colors that we could use. We like a lot of the natural elements or the natural looking colors within the products. As the product becomes more stable, and we can just use it from time to time in a whole lot of different elements and ways to use it.
Well, John, thanks for having us today. This is a great project. Nice work on the installation and the general build here. Really great details and great quality overall. We appreciate your time today.
Well, thank you. I appreciate you, and the product's excellent.